Hello, Nima with Passion of Persia. Right now, one of our master weavers is just knotting a Mahal rug antique. Pretty nice. It had, these are a pile, by the way. You see, these are actually hairs that we're re-knotting. Visit us online at passionofpersia.com. And we can repair any size damages. I mean, this is the extent of the work that Sercon is doing. Since the internal foundation's there, we just basically have to just knot it. Here's another view. I'm trying to get it as Sercon sees it. I think he's even looking in the camera to see how what he's doing. Well, anyway, I don't want to be a nuisance, but if you have any type of damages, give us a call, 602-374-6973, or visit us online at passionofpersia.com.